How to make money from home. Number 1, affiliate marketing with Target. Target will pay you up to $8,000 every single month just to work from home. And the best part about it, it's absolutely free. Anybody can do it. And you don't have to show your face. Let me show you how. You're going to want to like and save this video. And don't forget to share this with all your Target loving friends. First step, go on over to Google and type in Target Affiliate Program. Make sure you select the first option. Once you're here, go over to Apply Now and just follow the steps to sign up. Once you signed up, go over and select a product. And just remember that the more expensive the product, the more you're going to get paid. Hop on over to Pinterest, create a business account, and then go create a pin. So you're going to want to set this up just like the ad, where you put picture, a title, a light description. Don't skip this part. It is super important because this is how you get paid. So once you have a little ad set up, there's going to be a section down here called Destination Link. This is where you put your affiliate link. So when people click that link, you get paid. So when that's all done, just scroll up and hit publish. Affiliate marketing with Target.com is just one way of making really good money. Let us all know in the comment section if you have tried using Target Affiliate or any other ones that you suggest or don't suggest. This will help all of us. Subscribe, like, share, and come back. 2. The financial edge for me. To see more money making ideas, investing, and all things finances.